Unboxing our spring release. Abracadabra, and your data is back just as it should be. Our latest release, with its in-place restore that replaces your data with the newer version, does just that. Prefer to bypass or restore it to a separate folder? We have options for that too. Continuously improving our security creds is always a permanent fixture in our releases. We've added support for data anonymization to our Salesforce Sandbox Seeding, so your PII is not at risk of being breached, and you're compliant with GDPR, HIPAA, CCPA, and PIPEDA. I'll end with a hello. Konnichiwa to our Japanese customers. We have a brand new data center in Tokyo, Japan, and support paying directly in Japanese yen. Are you a partner or MSP? We've added a whole bunch of exciting features to our backup partner portal. Start a free trial or book a demo and max your ROI with CloudAlly Backup.